Mr. Nature Show. I'm your host, Evan Gologly. Today we have a special guest who's the author of Steep Trails and originates from California, John Murray. Welcome. Today we were reviewing an excerpt in the book that is so intriguing. Summer Days at Mount Shasta, right?
Yes.
Before we get into questions, can you tell us a short overview of this excerpt before I begin the interview?
It seems you already have. Well, this excerpt overviews my favorite part of the mountains, Mount Shasta. The beauty of Shasta's nature and civilizations give California its influence on America. Once you visit Shasta slopes, you won't find anything more majestic.
Well now, let's get into the questions, shall we? What inspired you to write this book?
As a young adult who explored numerous places, I traveled to Mount Shasta one day and believed that it was one of the greatest days of my life. The roaring waters, humming honeybees, and the heavenly mountain stood before me.
I heard you wrote this book on the slopes of Mount Shasta. Is that right?
Where else would I get the inspiration to write it?
Well now, I'll ask the audience some questions. Is that alright?
Yes, it's your show.
Okay. Yes, you.
Why do you use so much figurative language?
She was asking, why do you use so much figurative language for your description?
I use figurative language so much because I want to give the reader an actual feel of the novel, making it possible for them to relate it back to their own lives.
Thank you, John Moore. I'm sorry, that's all the time we have for today. And I'll see you soon, I guess. Good luck with your book.
Thank you.
Goodbye. You can pick up this book at any city bookstore, so hurry. It's already running out of stock. So thank you for watching the show today. And stay tuned because next week we're having a dog that has a cone on its head, goes crazy in our local home. A natural problem is going to be fixed next week on Mr. Nature. Good night everyone and thank you.